In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a camshaft position sensor in a Jeep Cherokee, which is located in the engine compartment. After locating your cam sensor, which is right next to your valve cover, remove the nut that's holding on the shield. I want to take that nut off. Slide the shield off, and then you have another 10mm bolt that holds the sensor in the head. The sensor a pull, slide it out, take your red tab, slide it back, take your pick, lift up, and pull out, and there's your sensor. After you remove the sensor, you definitely want to clean up this area here. That way the new sensor will slide in smooth and be flush with the head. You could just take a rag and just clean it up. Take your new sensor, put a little bit of silicone or grease on that seal so it slides in the hole easier. Once you have your sensor seated, put your 10mm bolt in. Snug that. You want that torqued to 80 inch-pounds. 80 inch-pounds. Once you torque that, take your plug it back in. Wait for that click. Slide your red tab down. Put your shield on. Nut for your shield. Snug that. And there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.